Introducing David Achom. Introducing David Achom. Introducing David Achom.
Oh my God. Guys, I'll start by, thanking you for, I'll start by thanking you for, joining this call and, staying up until now. If you are ready for what's going to happen today, I want you to go to the WhatsApp group now. Everybody go to the WhatsApp group and write, I am ready. Go to the WhatsApp group and write, I am ready. Just type, I am ready. I want to see I am ready on the WhatsApp groups. I am ready. Everybody go now to the WhatsApp group and write, I am ready. Not to my DM. Some people are coming to my DM. Please, hey, go to the WhatsApp group and write, I am ready. Go to the WhatsApp group and write, I am ready. Everybody, go to the WhatsApp group, whichever WhatsApp group you are joining from now, because there are like 3 WhatsApp groups, if I'm not mistaken. Go to the WhatsApp group and write, I am ready. 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 So we're going to keep communicating from the groups. All right? We're going to keep communicating what? From the groups. No chat box here, please. Yeah? Everything, let it be from the group. From the group. Now, if you have like a problem with moving in between apps, maybe you are not using YouTube Premium, I understand, then you can stay on the comment section here. All right, and your comments will be displayed just like Danny Man's comments if you have a problem with going to the WhatsApp group. But if you don't, I indulge you to stay on the WhatsApp group because I am more active on the WhatsApp group. I am what? I am more active on the WhatsApp group. I am more active on the WhatsApp group. All right? I am more active on the WhatsApp group. So the very first requirement is please subscribe to this channel. Yeah, that hits you, right? Subscribe to this channel. First of all, I'm surprised that I'm not seeing like it's not everybody number here that I've saved. Like there's this guy, Prince Omoyemi. I've not saved your number because I tried to save everybody's number. Utubi Iso, I've seen your comments. Azel George, I've seen your comments. Patience, Blessing, I've seen your comments. Moses Omi DG, I am ready. Utubi Iso, Ifeanyi Uchechuku, Fatoki Aduragbemi, Paul Ifeoluwa Levite, Grace Stella, Ugowe Samson, Babatunde Olu, Sophia Kebe, Pastor Yomi Davids, Ayenigba Precious, Okudili Vincent, Rahid Olawale, Omoshebi Adeshina, Adungbe Temitope, Oluwatosin Odunsin, Michael Ugowe, Daniman, Falodun, Olasukomi, Pastor Luis. Man of God, sir. Good to see you, Pastor. Good to see you, Pastor. Pastor Luis is on the live stream. Amazing, 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 amazing. We are not done. We have another group. We have Temitope. I've not saved your number. That's the number that ends with 6281. I've not saved your number. Message me with your full name and the sequence so that I will save it. Oluwaseyi Ayobami, Ibinabo Daniel, Emmanuel Bankole, Sam Adeboye Kolade, Olubumi Jidanu. I like this guy. I know him personally. Olubumi Jidanu, Messi Idowu. I'm still reading the comments. Fatoki Babatunde, Bashiru Aisha, Abiola Braid. Then we have some people here. We have Vincent. We have UT Black. We have Vincent Dim. I mean, I want to see more comments. I am ready. I am ready. I am ready. The very first thing is you need to have your writing materials. Second thing is you need to have subscribed to this YouTube channel. You need to have subscribed to this what? To this YouTube channel. You need to have subscribed to this YouTube what? To this YouTube channel. You need to have subscribed to this YouTube channel. You must have subscribed to this YouTube channel. You must subscribe to this what? YouTube channel. You must subscribe to this YouTube channel. We have Nudge Theory. We have some people here again. Abiola Braid. We have Akinoluwa Adeleye. We have Obiekwe Ifeanyi. We have Fola Adigun. Amazing. So right now, I need you guys to stay with me here without going anywhere. Are you with me? I need you to stay here without going anywhere. No more WhatsApp. Just stay here. If you want to talk to me directly here. Temi Tokwe Shofowora, Oladapo, Ola. I need you to stay with me here. All right? I need you to stay with me here. I need you to stay with me here. Stay here. Stay here. Stay here, you guys. Stay here. Stay here. Let me put it out now. Egbe Koba Merit, Adeleye Adedam Felix, Omoshebi Adekunle Sunday. We are going to teach Forex for 4 weeks, every week for 4 weeks on Thursdays. All right? Every Thursday, I will teach. You say, would the teaching be available to be watched later? A friend can't join now because he's mobile. Yes, it will be available to watch later. That's why we are using YouTube. All right, that's the only reason I use YouTube. If I use Zoom, you will not be able to see it later. If I use Google Meet, you cannot see it later. But YouTube, you can just click that same link and it will bring you here to watch later. That exact same link will bring you here to watch later. All right. If that sounds like something you're excited about, I want you to put 555 on this chat box very quickly. If you're excited about what's going to happen today, put 555 on this chat box. 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 Tokwe Bright, I've seen your comment. Mobolaji, I know. I've seen your comments. Ukachi Victor, I've seen your comments. Put 555 on this chat box. Put 555 on this on this chat box. Put 555 on this chat box. Now something powerful is gonna happen. Oh my God! Look at all the 555. 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 I'm seeing you guys. Look at all the 555. You are high and lifted up. There is no one like you. Hallelujah. Halle, 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 hallelujah. Hallelujah. You are high and lifted up. There is no one like you. Hallelujah. Halle, 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 hallelujah. Lord, we thank you for this initiative. We are not ungrateful. That's the word. We're not ungrateful. We know that all things start with you. We know that all things end with you. Lord, we thank you. We thank you. Because we have submitted our lives to you, we are sure that it is in safe hands. Lord, we're about to embark on a journey. Some of us, this is our first time hearing about Forex at all. Lord, please, we want transformation. First, the wisdom to understand. Second, transformation in our personal lives. In the name of Jesus. Thank you, glorious God. Thank you, glorious God. Thank you, glorious God. When Jesus name we pray, amen. So, if you have opened your account with the Forex broker that we have been putting out on the groups, if you have opened your account with the Forex broker that has been putting out on the groups so far, I want you to put 777 in the chat box. You've opened your account with the Forex broker that has been put out publicly. I want you to put what 777 in the chat box. Write 777 in the chat box if you have opened your account with the Forex broker that has been put out on the group. If you have not, put 222. You must respond though. It's either you put 777 or 222. Put 777 or 222. 777 if you have opened it, 222 if you have not opened it. Seven 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 if you have opened it, 222 if you have not opened it. Everybody is writing 7, right? Okay. 222 you have not opened it. Why? For 2 weeks we have been putting the links out. So what I need you to do right now, admin, please, on the back end, I want you to put the link. All right, put the link. Put the link. I'll pin it. Don't worry. Let them go now. Go now and open the link. Open the account with the broker. Okay, the link is showing on your screen. Everybody, if you have not opened an account, put 222. Click on this link. It's showing on your screen. It's showing on your screen right now. If you have not put the link, it's showing on your screen right now. Now, the reason you have to have that account is that's the only way we'll be able to teach you, because you practice what we are teaching you. All right. And we guided you on how to open a demo account with the broker so that it will guide your activities. Does that make sense? So that it will guide your activities. By the way, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, you are very wicked. Subscribe. Please, I don't mean to insult you, I promise you, I'm just joking. But I need you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. Give the video a thumbs up, because YouTube will recommend it to other people if you like. You should be open with USD account. Yes, the process is very easy to understand. I promise you. The process is very easy to understand. The process is very easy to understand. All right. So I put admin, please put the process on the chat box, please, so that people can know how to go about it. You have not finished MT5. Why? Setup. Why? Okay, it's showing on your screen now. Click the link below to create and verify your account. NIN required. Note, use USD zero spread account. It's clear on the chat box. It's very clear. It's as clear as anything. It's clear on the chat box. Today I'm going to teach you all I've known about Forex. I'll teach it in 4 weeks. I don't know how we'll do that. I'll try my best to compress it to 4 classes. A class will be about 90 minutes long. 90 minutes. All right? About 90 minutes plus or minus. NIN was not required when you registered. Yes, But when you are verifying the account, your NIN is recommended. It's recommended for you to use your NIN to verify. Just your number, put the number, and then you verify automatically. All right? You verify automatically. Now, if you have done step 1, which is to open the account and verify, and you have done step 2, which is to log into your MetaTrader 5, I want you to put 888 in the chat box. You have logged into MetaTrader 5, put 888. If you have not logged into MetaTrader 5, put 444 in the chat box. Put 888 in the chat box if you have logged into MetaTrader 5. If you have not logged into MetaTrader 5, put 444. Put 444. You have not logged into MetaTrader 5, Falodun, please go ahead and log in. If you want to log in, go to your user dashboard there and you log into your student dashboard. When you log into your student dashboard, you'll be able to request for a live account or maybe a demo account, anyone. You open one, they'll send you your login details to your email immediately and you log into MetaTrader 4 or 5, anyone. But I need you. Olubumi also, I believe it's because you guys just heard about it today. So I need you to do that very quickly. Now, the third question, if you got a phone call during this week from any of my team members, any of them, because any of the staff at all, you got a phone call, I want you to put 111 in the chat box. You got a phone call this week. Now, the phone call is from my staff telling you to open accounts, not from the broker. The broker will call you by themselves. That's not my business here. My business is that my team members called you to remind you to open an account or to confirm if you have opened an account or something like that. You got a phone call this week, put 111. This goes to tell you we are so proactive over here. We are very proactive over here. Once you open an account, we'll guide you through. Very proactive over here. You got a phone call from any of the staff. I'm sure you were even wondering, how did they get my number? Yeah, they got your number from the WhatsApp group. I added them to the WhatsApp group, and then they got your number from there. Okay. That said, I'm going to share my screen and we're going to teach. If at any point you don't understand, I need you to write a question in your own notebook on your phone. Then when we are done with everything, you will now ask me a question because I will give you opportunity to ask your questions. For those who have not opened accounts with the broker again, I would pin it here so that you all can see it. Okay? This is the link to open accounts with the broker. This is the link to open accounts with the what? With the broker. This is the link to open accounts with the broker. Now, let's get into business. Let's get right into what? Business. But please, like I said, I need you to do something. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. Don't do it later. Do it now. Like the video. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and like. In fact, if you have subscribed, write yes. Capital YES. If you have subscribed and you have liked this video, write yes. If you have subscribed but you have not liked the video, write Y. If you have subscribed and you have liked the video, write YES. If you have subscribed and you have not liked the video, write Y. If you have not been able to verify your account, you need to do that on the back end. Or you write, if you have not been able to verify your account, put it on the WhatsApp group so that after the class, we'll tell you what next to do. I see a lot of yes. Thank you very much for subscribing. We don't take it for granted. I will not lie to you. We don't take it for granted. We truly are grateful that you're subscribing to our channel, Even though we are delivering free value, we are very grateful. Very grateful. Very grateful. We are very grateful. Very grateful. Very grateful. All right. Something powerful is gonna happen. I'm so sure. I'm very sure that something is going to happen. I'm very sure that something is going to happen today. Like I'm so sure. I'm so sure that somebody's life is going to change. I'm very sure. Like my own is not, is it possible? It's not me. I'm extremely sure. I'm serious. I know it like I know my name. I don't know if you understand that feeling, but I know it like I know my name. I know it like I know my name. That somebody's life is going to change. I know it like I know my name. Like I said, all of you subscribe to this channel and like the video. Not just subscribe now. like the video. I know it like I know my name. Somebody's life is going to change. No, somebody's life is going to change. Forex changed my life. How will I explain it to you? Forex changed my life. I was struggling. In case you don't know, I was born in a very, I think poor is even an understatement. But yeah, I was born in a house where at some point we were homeless for about 5 months, going to 6 months. At some point we didn't have a house. I'm telling you the truth. At some point we didn't have a house. But what God did changed my family's life forever. What did God do? God made sure I learned a skill that changed my life. So when you see me smiling and happy, it's because I know where I came from. 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 See, God will change your life. I'm telling you the truth. See, God will change your life. No, your life, somebody's life will change. I know where I came from. We were not eating. We were eating once a day. I'm serious. We're eating once a day. We're eating once a day. But God changed my life. God will change your own life. I'm telling you. Well, let's not talk too much. What I need you to do right now is pick up your notes and write down. Pick up your notes and write down. If I've not logged in, if I've not linked your broker and your MT5, hold on. For now, it's time to learn. Leave your broker alone, leave your MT5 alone. It's time to learn. So stay with me, okay? Leave your broker alone, leave your MT5 alone. It's time to what? It's time to learn. It's time to learn. Leave your broker alone, leave your MT5 alone. It's time to what? To learn. It's time to learn. It's time to learn. Okay. Welcome to Market Mastery Program. I'm going to be your educator for today. My name is David Atcham. I love teaching so much. Why? Because I changed my life. Well, God changed my life through teaching. Yeah, my life had that transformative change because I started teaching. All right, it builds my boldness, it builds my self-control, it builds my patience, it builds my communication, it builds my network of relationship, it builds everything about me, even builds my money because people started paying me to teach. Yeah, so I love teaching. So welcome to Market Mastery Program. In this program, we're going to walk you through a few things. Number one is beginner's guide to trading. You can take screenshots from time to time of this. Beginner's guide to trading, what is trading, financial instruments, trading time zones, correlated pairs, the exchange rate measurement in pips, lot size and current market price, calculating pip value, trading multiple lots. I'll teach you all of those. Module 2 will then go to MT4 and MT5 basics, trading view setup, account margin, buying the spread, and buying and selling the exchange rates, price spread, market execution, stop orders, limit orders, stop loss, and take profit. Those are the two things we'll do today. Okay? In our next class, I'll then go into price action fully. I will start in our next class. Module 3 will be price action and market structure. I'll teach you a sample of price action, different market sentiment, bullish, bearish, and continuation patterns. Then module 4, I'll teach you candlestick anatomy, different kind of candlesticks. Then module 5, I'll teach you chart patterns and different types of chart patterns. And that will be all for the next class. Then our next class, remember we have 4 classes. So the first 2 classes is module 1 and 2. Second 2 classes, the first class is module 1 and 2. Second class is module 3, 4, 5. The third class is module 6, 7, and 8. All right. The third class was module 6, 7, and 8, where I'll teach you trading psychology, negative emotions that affect traders. Then I'll teach you technical analysis. We'll go into different types of market trend, price action and support. Price action, that's support and resistance. We'll go into volume and momentum, smart money concept, key factors in SMC, sentimental and fundamental analysis. I'll teach you that in module 7. Module 8, I'll teach you trade entry and trade exit. Why are trade entry and exit criteria? Like, why are they important? All right. Then module 9 and 10 is what we'll do in the last class, which is risk management. I'll teach you stop loss, take profit, what is leverage. I'll teach you what is margin. Then module 10, I'll teach you my secret strategy. Action to trap for money. That's my own zone. All right. That's my own edge in the market. So I'll teach you module 9 and 10 together on the same day. All right. If that sounds like something you're excited about, I want to see those excitements in the chat box. If it sounds like something you are excited about, I want you to put 333 in the chat box. 3 for Trinity. Put 333 in the chat box. If it sounds like something you're excited about, put 333 in the chat box. I want to see those 333. Put 333 in the chat box if it sounds like something that you're excited about, okay? If this sounds like something that you've always wanted to learn, put 333 in the chat box. This sounds like the next 4 weeks looks like magic for some of you. In case you don't know, just try, go to our website and try to apply to be our student. It costs a lot, I'm telling you. We charge up to so for one-on-one class with me, guess what? For group coaching, it's not only me that teach, there are other people that teach it. But for one-on-one class with me, I charge 1,000 per month, 1,000 US, and it's only one class per week for 4 weeks. And that's what I'm doing with you guys, one class per week for 4 weeks. So imagine $1,000 what I'm supposed to collect for this class from each of you. There are 56 people on this call. That's $56,000. But no, I let it go. Yeah, I'm teaching you for free. No, some people's lives are going to change. I can promise you. Take it from me. Some people's lives are going to change completely. If it sounds like something you're excited about, I want you to put TV in the chat box. If it sounds like something you're actually excited about. The advice I will give you the advice I will give you is avoid every distraction and stay on this call. That's the only advice I can give you right now. Avoid every distraction and stay on this call. Leave any phone call that is coming is not from God. Avoid every distraction and stay on this call and learn. That's the only advice I can give to you. That's the only advice I can give to you. Honestly speaking, that's the only advice I can give to you. All right? Let's get to class now. So if you do not try, your chances of success drops to 0. What did I say? If you do not try, your chances of success drops to 0. If you do not try, your chances of success drops to 0. So give it a try. Don't be part of those people that, they're not serious with their Forex life. Give it a try. If you do not try, your chances of success drops immediately to 0. All right. That said, let's go right to class. Module 1, beginner's guide to what? To trading. Module 1 is what? Beginner's guide to trading. Now, what is trading? Trading refers to the exchange of any financial instruments or assets such as foreign currencies, in this case Forex, digital currencies, crypto, indices, futures, NFTs, commodities, stocks, and the likes, with an expectation of a change in value over time. So let me explain what it means. In the olden days, if they needed, let's say, food now, I want to eat rice, you want to eat beans. I have rice, you have beans. So they used to do trade by barter. There was no money freak per se. That's why you see in the Bible they measured riches by how many servants you have, men servants, and then they measure riches by how many cattle you have. Because then the unit of exchange was, I need 10 cows. I'll give one of my servants, my men servants, to go and assist you, and you give me 10 cows. That's how they used to buy things. All right. Then we went from trade by barter, exchanging goods for goods, to exchanging goods for money. No, from exchanging goods for goods, now exchanging units of goods for units of goods. What do I mean? Let me explain this. So they went from exchanging goods for goods to now exchanging units of goods for units of goods. So then they had just one. Remember, I have one man servant. You give me only one cow. That's how they now start exchanging things, units of it for units of it, instead of just anything. So then you now see, please, you guys subscribe to this channel. I'm saying it again because other classes I will not say it. It's this class I'm saying it. Now, so before this, you exchange just any unit for any unit. Give me 10 bag of rice for 1 bag of cement. No, but now they now start measuring it. So they will put somebody on the scale. When they put you on the scale, let's say they put 1 bag of rice on the scale, or some pieces of rice. It measures 10 ounces. They now put beans. that measures 10 ounces, and then they will exchange your beans of 10 ounces for my rice of 10 ounces. So my rice might be plenty, your beans might be small, but that's it, 10 ounces. But they now said, this is not very accurate. We need to be able to measure what we are exchanging. They now started exchanging money for goods. So it was now coins. Then they evolved from coins to paper, from paper to digital currencies like crypto that we have now. So from exchanging coins for exchanging money for goods, they now got to the point where actually, because this country is so big, the country feels like their money is big. Like they have, so how they used to measure the weight of a country's currency that time by the production rate of that country. So your country is always coming to buy this thing from us, and we're always winning you in our war. So our country's currency is bigger than your country's currency. So we would have 10 of our naira is equal to 2 million of your naira, of your own shilling or whatever it is. That's how they started measuring it based on the amount of what wins that this country had in war and in. The reason I'm saying this is so that you understand the evolution of money. Money went from goods for goods to units of goods for units of goods to money for goods, then to money for money. Are we good? Money for money. That's when the countries exchanging their currency. Then now you see that if you go to the UK, you need to exchange because I mean you pay £1 to trolley your goods to the at least to your cab, then at least about £3 for the cab or something like that, right? So we now saw that happen. So the evolution of money came from when we're exchanging goods for goods to units of goods for units of goods to money for units of goods, then now to money for money. That's why I can exchange physical money for online money. And I can even exchange online money for online money because money has evolved over time. Does that make sense? Because money has what evolved over time. Now, profit results from accurately predicting price direction, whether up or down. Loss results when price goes opposite the direction of your prediction. So if you say price will go up and price went down, you have lost. If you say price will go down and price went up, you have lost. Some of you will say, because it's going down, that means it's losing. No. What if I predicted that it would go down? So, because I see some people say, anything red can do in the market, avoid it. No. If it's going down, what if I predicted that it would go down? I mean, profits. So profit does not mean price is going up or is blue or is green. No. Profit means price is going according to my prediction. Loss means price is going opposite my prediction. That said, there are different financial instruments, all right? And they refer to anything of value that is tracked on an exchange. There are different centers for exchanges in the world. There is the New York Stock Exchange, there's the London Stock Exchange, there's the Tokyo Stock Exchange. Those are the major stock exchanges, right? There's Nigerian Stock Exchange. Every country has their stock exchange, but the major stock exchanges, right? We have the New York, we have the London, we have the Tokyo, right? Sadly, in Africa, we don't have that major one yet, but I believe soon Nigeria will grow to that point where there will be Nigerian Stock Exchange as one of the major stock exchanges. I believe soon, and that belief is based on hope and trust in God, because based on our current happenings, it doesn't look like it. But that's not a conversation for here. So financial instrument, they are commodities. Is a type of instruments. Commodity, I mean gold, I mean oil, I mean US oil, I mean coal. We trade all these things, by the way. I can show you if you want to see. We trade it on the exchange, all right? So there is coal, so you can see someone say, I've been buying steel for 3 days now. I've been on gold buy for 3 days. These are commodities. Then there's indices like US 100, features like the DXY. So you see someone saying, I've been longing DXY for a while. DXY is simply the United States dollar index. All right. So there's the US dollar index, there's the Japanese yen index, there's the Nigerian index, actually, NGN index, there's Nigerian naira index. These are foreign currencies, right? Then there's the combination of both, which is the quotes. We have US dollar versus JPY, that's USD JPY. We have US dollar versus pounds. We have pounds versus GBP JPY. That's pounds versus Japanese yen. Those are foreign currencies. Now we have cryptocurrencies. We have Bitcoin. We have Ethereum. We have Ripple. We have, I mean, I can keep listing. We have stocks like Apple stock, US 100. US 100 is simply the top 100 stocks in the world combined together. There's UK 100, top 100 stocks in the UK's exchange. That's in the London Stock Exchange, combined. We have different stocks. There's Apple, there's Netflix, there's Tesla stocks. We trade all these things. All right. If you know Pastor Femi Yewumi, he teaches us how to trade stocks. I teach how to trade foreign currencies. We are all under the financial instruments, all right, the financial market. So um there's cryptocurrency also. I teach crypto also, right? But I'm not big on it as I'm big on foreign currencies. And I know some people that only teach indices, all right? There's a guy of mine, he's very popular also, Lucky Main. He teaches what? Indices, right? It's my friend, very good friend. He teaches how to trade VIX, that's volatility and the likes, right? That's futures, that's indices. Then there's commodity. I know some people, all they trade is gold. In our academy, what we trade is, we have an educator. His name is Counselor. If you have joined us any of our Monday live stream, I'm sure you must have seen or heard of Counselor before. He's what's he call it now? Counselor's only pair is gold. That's what he trades. He trades gold. He trades gold. All right. Counselor's only pair is gold. So there are people like that, and all we can do is to understand that, oh, they exist, and work with them based on their existence. All right. So under the financial market, we have foreign currencies, we have commodities, we have indices, we have stocks, we have cryptocurrencies. Now going to the next, there are different financial instruments symbols. We have what, for foreign currencies, we have Euro USD, we have JPY, we have GBP USD, we have USD chef, that's CHF, Swiss franc, that's CHF. Under indices, you have US 30, we have NAS 100. Like I was saying, we have S&P 500, we have Frank 40. Frank 40 is the top 40 um, performing companies in France, right? S&P 500 is a very popular commodity that has been traded for decades, I promise you, in fact, for centuries. S&P 500 is the it's one of the most oldest indexes traded in this world, right? We have US 30, top 30 US companies in US, all right? Then we have commodities, like I said, we have gold, we have XAG, all right? XAG is steel, I think. Um, we have UK oil, we have US oil, then we have cryptocurrencies, we have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, we have Ripple, we have Litecoin, that's LTC USD. Under stocks, all right, we have Apple, we have Google. So if you're going to put one person that you know right now, you can say, oh, I know under foreign currency, I know David Acham. Under indices, oh, I know, let's say Lucky Main, for instance. Under commodities, oh, I know, let's say, give me one name that you know now. Let's say I know Counselor. Under cryptocurrency, I know, oh, let's say Spectrum. Under stocks, I know, let's say Femi Yewumi, right? You can put one person's name there and make sure you get close to these people. Why? So you can learn at least how to ride well in these financial markets, right? You don't need to learn everything, but it is advisable you have an understanding of everything. I have an understanding on everything. I'm not playing in every field, but I know how to play in every field because I have stocks that I've bought, I have cryptos that I've bought, and I still trade. In fact, I receive payments from crypto. I have commodities. I trade gold very well. I mean, I'm not here to boast or anything. I've made tons of withdrawals trading gold. All right. Then there's indices, there's foreign currencies. Just try to play in the field. Now, going to the next part of this, there's currency and the country codes. I'll not dwell much on this because it's not very important to you. But yeah, you can read on it. The slides will be sent. It's not very important to you, but it's good to have an understanding of it because there's a way they put it. So Great Britain pound, that's GBP. So you're wondering why is pound not POU? Why is it GBP? It's because they put Great Britain then pound. It's still the ISO 4217 rule that Nigeria uses. That's why Nigerian currency is NGN, Nigerian currency, NGN. Why is it not NAI for Naira? It is Nigerian Naira, all right? So there's United States dollar, USD. I can keep listing and listing. For instance, USD, United States dollar. But I'm not going to dwell much on that. These are different examples. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, Switzerland franc, Euro zone. There is a Japanese yen, New Zealand dollar, and the likes. You can take your time, go through it again when the slide has been made available to you. But will the slide be made available to you? Oh, yes. The slide will be made available to you. Please make sure you don't miss this class. I'm telling you, please. Now let's get to different types of currency pairs. Now there are three different types of currency pairs. Hmm? There's major, there's minor, and then there's a exotic. These are you just know. Major is any pair that has USD in it. Major is any currency pair that has USD in it. By currency, I mean two currencies. Minor is any currency pair. By currency, I mean two currencies that does not have US dollar in it. US dollar is the major currency in the world. Don't worry. So major pairs have US dollar in their correlation. Minor pairs do not have US dollar in their correlation. Exotic pairs have a currency and a non-currency. Maybe XAU USD. XAG is silver. XAG USD. That's a commodity and a country's currency. Ethereum is a crypto. ETH USD. That's a cryptocurrency and a country's currency. Do you understand what I'm saying? So there are three major types of exotic pairs. There's major, there's minor, and there's exotic. The way to remember is major is a currency pair that have US dollar in the correlation. Minor is a currency pair that does not have US dollar in the correlation. Exotic is a non-currency pair that is correlating with a currency pair. Do you understand what I just said now? For instance, Bitcoin, BTC, USD. Yeah, so let's get into trading time zones. Oh my God, the forex market is open 24 hours a day, but that does not mean you should be trading 24 hours a day. The market is open 24 hours a day, but there are specific times that you should be in the market. All right, specific times like you have to be in the market when the market has the highest volatility. For instance, you can see that in the so there are different what's the word now, trading time zones. There is, remember I said there are four major trading centers in the world. There's Sydney, there's Tokyo, there's London, and then there's US dollar. Sorry, there's a New York session. All right. So Sydney session is from 11 p.m. to, let me see if I included it in this slide. Oh, I did not include it in the slide. Okay, no problem. But let me just pull it out right now for you guys to see. Okay. So Sydney session is from 11 p.m. This time is GMT, but I'm using GMT plus one, which is Nigerian time. Nigerian time is GMT plus one. Nigerian time is what? GMT plus one. So there's 11 p.m. to 8 a.m. is Sydney session. Tokyo session is 1 a.m. actually, 1 a.m. in the midnight to 10 a.m. in the morning. But the two largest trading sessions occur between what? London and New York session. That's why the best time to trade in the market is in Nigerian time. The best time is between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Do you understand what I said? The best time in Nigerian time to trade the market is between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. because that is overlap of what? Two major time zones. Remember, at 1 p.m., the second major time zone will open. So I like trading between 8 a.m. in the morning and 5 p.m. 5 p.m. I'm out because that's when any currency you're trading that has US dollar in it, don't trade it after 5 p.m. Any currency that has US dollar in the correlation is best traded in Nigerian time between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Just know it's the way I just explained it now. It's nothing too serious. The way I just explained it right now, just learn it that way. Just learn it that way, the way I explained right now. All right? Between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. in Nigerian time, just stick with it. Don't go outside of it. I hope that makes sense. Between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Nigerian time, stick with your trading. Now, let's get into correlated pairs. So, they're correlated pairs, just like you see two people that have the same attitude. For instance, some families don't believe in marrying Igbo, marrying Yoruba, marrying Hausa, marrying from this tribe. Why? Because they feel like they have the same attitude. That's correlated pairs. They feel like they are correlated tribes, which is not exactly correct, but it happens. All right. So it's a way for traders to identify whether one currency will move similarly to another currency. All right. It's a way to identify whether one currency will move similarly with another currency. For instance, we have London. In the London Stock Exchange, there's Eurozone under it and there's Great Britain pound under it. All right, the Great Britain pound, they are both what's the word? They are close tiers. It means that Euro USD will move similarly to GBP USD. Go and check it. Euro USD will move similarly with GBP USD. So if I'm trading if I'm trading GU buy, you can start looking for where to buy Euro USD, because they will likely move similarly, not at the same price point, but they will move similarly. I hope you're understanding what I'm saying. They will move what? They will move similarly. Now, I just explained it now. There's a base currency, there's a coast currency. Base currency is the first three words before the slash, first three letters before the slash. The coast currency is the other one. So there's Euro USD. I have a question. If I have AUD USD, oh no, I've used AUD USD as an example. If I have, give me an example now. GBP CHF. Which one is the quote? Which one is the base? I'm looking at it in the chat box here now. Okay, so which one is the quote? Which one is the base? I have GBP CHF. Which one is the quote currency? Which one is the base currency? Which one is the quote currency? Which one is the base currency? I have GBP CHF. I have GBP CHF. Which one is the quote currency? Which one is the base currency? GBP CHF. Which one is the quote currency? Which one is the base currency? GBP CHF. Which one is the quote currency? Which one is the base currency? CHF is the quote, GBP is the base. Good. Umar Farouk, Danny Man, good. GBP is the base, CHF is the quote. Good. So you need to understand that, okay? If I have XAU USD, XAU is the base, USD is the quote. Does that make sense now? XAU is the base, USD is the quote. All right. Now, for a currency correlation, you can take advantage of it to your benefits. Now, the advantage is that what you would increase your returns because you are trading more currencies. Now, disadvantage is that you're going to be taking more risk. Do you understand? You're going to be taking what? More risk. However, there's another advantage that I didn't talk about, is that you're splitting your risk across two currencies, across two economies. Instead of risking all your money on only Great Britain pounds and US dollar, you'll be splitting your risk on Great Britain pound, euro, and US dollar. That way, if let's say Great Britain pound fail you, euro will likely not fail you. So instead of putting 100% here, you can split 50% here, 50% here. You have splitted your risk. It's called what? Risk management. All right. Another currency correlation is crude oil and USD CAD. So Canada is one of the highest suppliers of crude oil, like you guys know. So if crude oil is going up, USD CAD will likely go down. Why? Because US dollar is in the opposite. That means CAD USD. Then CAD USD will be going up as oil goes up. But it's USD CAD. CAD is on the other side. CAD is the quote, not the base. If CAD is the base, then it will be going up as oil is going up. But because CAD is the quote, USD CAD will be going down as oil will be going up. Do you understand what I'm saying? So let me explain it in plain terms. All right. If the base is higher than the quote, price goes up. If the quote is higher than the base, price goes down. Do you understand what I'm saying? If the quote is going up and the base is not going up or is going down, any of them, price will be going down. It means what determines whether price will go up or down is the base. That base currency determines where price will be going. If the base is going higher than the quote, price will be going up. If the base is going lower than the quote, price will be going down. That first one, USD or GBP, which one is the first? That first one. If it is going higher than the quote, price will be going up. If it is going lower than the quote, price will be going down. If two of them are going up at the same time, price will be ranging. Do you understand what I'm saying? Price will be what? Ranging. Going up, going down, going up, going down. Yeah. Now, in the markets, we trade the exchange rate. In the markets, we trade the exchange rate. An exchange rate refers to a single number that represents the amount of a currency or asset you will receive in exchange for another. All right? Exchange rate. For instance, I have $1. I want to receive naira, I'll be receiving 1,500 naira. It means US dollar slash NGN will be equal to 1,500. But NGN slash US dollar will be equal to something else because it will be equal to 0.0000 something like that. Because you will need less US dollar to get 1 naira, but you will need more naira to get 1 US dollar. Do you understand what I'm saying, somebody? You will need less US dollar to get 1 naira, but you will need more naira to get 1 US dollar. So we are trading that exchange rate. We don't trade the currency gone. No, we trade the exchange rate of the currency. If you understand what I just explained, and you understand what I've explained so far up until this point, I want you to put 777 in this chat box. If you don't understand what I just explained, put 555 in the chat box. I want to see your comments. You understand what I just explained? Put 777 in the chat box. You don't understand what I explained? Put 555 in the chat box. Very quickly, you guys. You understand what I explained? Put 555 in the chat box. You don't understand what I explained? Put 777 in the chat box. You understand what I explained? Put 555 in the chat box. You don't understand what I explained? No, you understand? Put 777 rather. Oh my God, I've confused all of you. Ah, shit. Okay, let's use new numbers so I can understand. If you understand what I explained, okay, I see many people don't even understand. Let me just explain all over again. Exchange rate. I'll explain now, then I'll tell you the numbers to put if you understand and if you don't understand. So, exchange rate refers to a single number that represents the amount of a currency you receive in exchange for another. What do I mean? Okay, how will I explain this now? Should I use my board? I have a board here. Let me see if I can use it. No, don't worry. Let me just teach you. You grab it. You guys are smart people. Just stay with me. Exchange rate. EUR US dollar. You need 1 US dollar. Let's use naira because we understand naira. I have $1, but I need naira. The exchange rate will be 1,500 and something. Why? Because I need 1,500 and something naira to get $1. Do you understand? So in the market, what we are trading is that exchange rate, not dollar. So we are saying I'm predicting that naira will go from 1,500 to 1,200 or from 1,500 to 2,000. That's what I am predicting. What it means is in the market, we trade the predictions of exchange rates based on historical price action. What has happened before in the past? This happened, this happened, this happened. That's what happened before. It means that price will likely do the same thing or something closely similar. All right? If before price has been going up, price will likely keep going up. So in the market, we are trading the exchange rate, not the country's currency, because I don't have dollar and naira and euro and everything to be trading in the market. You see what Bureau de change people are doing? They are exchanging currency for currency. Yes. We are doing something similar, but we are exchanging their exchange rates for an exchange rate. So Bureau de change is exchanging country currency for country currency physically. We are doing this one virtually. Do you understand what I'm saying? But we are doing it through a method where you can get advantage. You can use what? The broker. The broker has done all the hard work for you. Your work is to be trading the exchange rate, predicting that the exchange rate will go from 1 to 2 to 3. That's your prediction. That, before the exchange rate was on 1.001, but now I'm expecting it to go from 1.001 to 1.003. That exchange rate is 2 increase. That 2 from 001 to 003, that increase is where I make money on. My money comes from that increase. If price goes down, I lose the money. But if I predict that price will go from 005 to 001, I'm predicting that it will go down. If price goes from 005 to 006, no, I'm going to lose money. Because my prediction was the exchange rates will change, not the country's currency. I don't care about the currency. I don't even care about the country. In fact, some of those countries I've never been to. Have I been to Japan before? No. by trading USD JPY. It means my prediction is that the exchange rate will go up or go down. That is how we make money in the market. If you understand what I have explained right now about exchange rates, and it's clear to your ears and your heart receives it with understanding, put 999 in this chat box for me. 999. You don't understand? Put 111. You understand? Put 999. You don't understand? Put 111. You understand? Put 999. You don't understand? Put 111. We have less than 20 minutes. Sorry, less than 30 minutes left on this class. If there are more 999, then I'll let everybody that is 111 to come and rewatch by themselves in their own time. Temitope is the 1999, is the only one that does not understand. The rest understands. Anthony is the second one that does not understand. Esau does not understand. That's 3 people do not understand. All right, I will explain again because there are 3 people that don't understand. Precious 4. I will explain again. If there's only 1 or 2, I have not explained. But let me explain again. Remember, in the market, we are trading exchange rates. Okay? It means that I'm expecting that the exchange rate will go from 1,500 that it is right now, naira to dollar. Sorry, dollar to naira, not naira to dollar. Dollar to naira, I'm expecting that it will go from 1,500 to 1,700. Let's assume. So I put my money in the exchange rate, not in the currency. I'm not buying dollar. No, buying dollar is something else. It's another type of trading. They call it insider trading. That's another type of trading. In this trading we are doing, we are trading the exchange rates. So we are predicting that the exchange rates will go from 1,500 to 1,700, and we put money on it. Meaning, for every rate of increase, I should be getting paid extra 10 naira on the 2 naira I put down. That is my prediction. If price goes from 1,500 to 1,400 instead of 1,700 like I predicted, I've lost money. But if price goes from 1,500 to 1,700, I have made money. What if I predicted the other way? What if I said 1.5 will come to 1.2 and price now goes from 1.5 to 1.8? I've lost money. But if price now goes from 1.5 to 1.2, I've made money. Do you understand? And before I can make that prediction, I must have understood what price has been doing so far. That whenever this happens in the country, we see this happen. What do I mean? If they sign a new deal or they bring a new bill or there's a new policy, guess what? The country's currency will likely increase. If that is my prediction, then yes, price will likely increase. So what do we use to decide whether price will go up or down? We are not sporty bet traders. No, we are not trying to just say, oh, you should do this, you should do that. No, I'm not trading sporty bet. I'm using intellect here. I'm using intellect by what means? By saying, oh, this country just signed a new policy, or this country just brought in a new president, or this country's election is this time. So this country is that they campaign around this, or this country just had this partnership with this individual. Oh, this country just got new investors. So their stock, the value of their currency should increase, and then I'm buying it with the anticipation that that increase will make me make money. So we buy in the market based on historical price action. Some people buy based on what happens in the country. That's fundamental analysis. That's okay. Some people buy based on sentiment. Everybody's buying, so let me buy. That's also okay. It's a type of trading, and I will teach you in the 3rd class. There's sentimental analysis. And then we buy based on price action. In the market, price has been doing this. It has been going up. We are likely to see it keep going up. Oh, the last time when price got to 7,000, it came down. Now price is on 5,000, getting to 7,000. I want to buy it to 7,000 and I stop buying, because when it gets 7,000, it might come down again because it did that before. That is how we trade. So we are trading based on what has happened before. Some people are trading based on, oh, this country has signed new policy. That's okay. I promise you, but that's not how I trade. I trade based on what has happened before in price action. If you understand this clearly, put 999 in this chat box for me. If this is clear to you, put 999 in this chat box for me. If it is not clear to you, put 111 in this chat box for me. But you're not going to be here and not respond. You're going to respond. If it's clear to you, put 999. If it's not clear to you, put 111. Everybody understands now. So in the market, we trade the exchange rates. It's good that we are all on this place. So when someone says, Forex is scam, you're a joker. You don't know what we are doing. That's why you're saying that. We trade the exchange rates. We trade the exchange rates. We trade the exchange rate. I'll say it one more time. We trade the exchange rate. Now, how do we measure the exchange rate? Remember I said there's a unit of measurement for that exchange rate. The unit of measurement is called PIPS, P-I-P-S. It's an acronym, percentage in points, because price moves in points. From 0.001 to 0.002, price moves in points. Now, I have a question. If you tell someone, I waited for 3 hours, if they're in China, if they're in Nigeria, if they're in South Africa, or they're in Uganda, will they understand what 3 hours means? Yes or no? Put it in the chat box. Do they understand what 3 hours means? Does everybody in the world understand that 3 hours means 60 minutes times 3? Or does some people think 3 hours means 7 days? Does everybody understand what 3 hours means? Talk to me. I'm looking at the chat box. Somebody say yes. Okay, yes. Yes, I'm seeing it now. Good. Everybody knows what 3 hours means. Everybody knows what 3 hours means. Everybody knows what 3 hours means. Because 3 hours is the unit of measuring what? Time per second. Second is the unit of measuring time. Oh, this thing is 7 feet long. Everybody in the world knows what 7 feet means. So every trader in the world knows what 50 pips means. Whether you are trading gold, whether you are trading Bitcoin, whether you are trading stocks, we all know what 50 pips means. Because pips is the unit of measuring the exchange rate, especially in what? In the Forex market. Especially in the Forex market. Pips is the unit of measuring the exchange rate. So what is pips? Pips are the universal measure of what? Measuring the exchange rate. Anywhere you are in the world, you will know what I mean by I lost 20 pips today. Oh, I made a profit of 800 pips today. You understand what I mean, sir? Except you are not a trader, you understand what I mean. So what does that mean? USD JPY, there's a unit of measuring it, and that unit is called PIPS. How do we calculate it? For USD pairs, the unit is the last. So you see, all USD pairs are approximated to 4 decimal places, by the way. All USD pairs are approximated to what? 4 decimal places. All USD pairs are approximated to 4 decimal places. All Japanese pairs are approximated to 3 decimal places. Let that be clear to you first. Any US dollar pair, any other pair, in fact, all the pairs in the world are approximated to 4 decimal places except Japanese yen. Japanese yen is the only pair that's approximated to 3 decimal places. Japanese yen is the only pair that's approximated to what? To 3 decimal places. Japanese yen is the only pair that is approximated to 3 decimal places. I believe that is clear, first of all. 3 decimal places. Good. So, you see that decimal place? How we calculate pips? I will show you in the chart, but let me explain it theoretically. That number at the back, there is pip, there is pipette. Oh my God. Pipette, rather, that's the way they say it. I don't know how to pronounce it. Pipette. But I don't use pipette. Pipette is the last unit. Pip is the other one. So 1 pip is what? This one, 1 point, see now, 1.10. I'm talking about this USD JPY. This one here now. 1.1010. If it goes from 1.1010 to 1.1020, that's one pip movement up. Do you understand what I'm saying? That's one pip movement up. If it goes from 1.1010 to 1.1910, that is what? 90 pips up. But now you don't need to be calculating, what is it? What is it? No, there is something in the market that helps you to calculate automatically. There's something in the market that what helps you to calculate automatically. For instance, now this is the market. You see this tool, there's a tool here. This tool is measure. Measure. You can click it here and you calculate what. Already it has told you the amount of pips, 204 pips. And it told you the time duration in 1 day and 18 hours. In 1 day, 18 hours, price did 204 pips. It has told you. There's a tool. You don't need to start calculating by yourself. There's a tool in the market that helps you calculate it automatically. There's a tool in the market that helps you to calculate it automatically. Your work is to just know how to use this tool. And I will teach you today, not tomorrow, sir. I will teach you that thing today. I promise you that. I will teach you today. Do you understand? I'll teach you today. That said, let's go to the next part. Trading lot sizes. Trading lot sizes. Trading lot sizes. So a lot refers to the size of order placed. A lot refers to the size of what? Of order placed. A lot refers to the size of order placed and determines the amount of money you will gain or lose per pip. Remember, I said pip is what? Distance of movement. A lot it refers to the amount of order placed. Let me explain. I bought 1,000 naira popcorn. 1,000 is the size of order placed. 1,000. I bought 1,000 naira. I bought 10 lots of goods. Lot is the unit to measure the what? The size. 10 lots. Everybody understand? 500 lot size. Everybody understand? So there are micro lots, there are mini lots, and there are standard lots. Anybody that is using 0.01 to 0.09 is using micro lot size. Is using what? Micro lot size. Anybody using 0.01 to 0.09 is using micro lot size. Anybody using 0.10 to 0.99 is using what? Mini lot size. You can see it here, mini lot size. Anybody using 1.0 to 1,000 lots is using what? Standard lot size. In fact, there's no 1,000 lots, there's 999 lots. That's the highest. So 999, if you want to enter 10,000 lots, you enter 999 in 100 places or something like that, right? The only difference, however, is that if you are trading through a different software, you can use 10,000 lots in one sitting. All right, there's a software that allows you to use that. Now, if you understand pips, I've explained exchange rates properly and everybody understand that. If you understand pips and lot size, I want you to write PIPS in the chat box. If you understand pips and lot size, I want you to write PIPS in the chat box. If you don't understand it, write NO, capital letter. If you understand lot size, write PIPS. If you don't understand it, write lot. I write NO. NO. You don't understand, write NO. You understand, write PIPS. Write PIPS if you understand. If you write NO, tell me what you don't understand though. Because I explained pips and I explained lot size. Pips, I said pips is what? The unit of measurement. For instance, okay, well, let me see. Everybody here, I'm seeing no, like 4 places, 5 places. Okay. Okay. Let me explain pips again. Pips is percentage in points. And I said you don't have to be thinking about to understand it. There's a tool in the market that helps you to understand pips. But I need you to know that we measure the movement of price based on pips. 20 pips, 30 pips. We measure how much price has moved, how far price has moved. We measure it in what? In pips. That's the first thing I want you to know. We measure how far price has moved in what? In pips. Second thing I want you to know is that we have what? A unit of measuring the size of order that you have placed. Remember, how far price has moved is pips. But what's the size of the order you placed per unit of price movement? Is what? Lots. So how far price move is pips. That's for instance 10 kilometers. Then the lot is which engine are you using to drive it. I did 10 kilometers with 60 kilometer per hour. I did 10 kilometers with 800 kilometer per hour. I'm using a V16 engine. I'm using a V18 engine. I'm using a V10, a V6 engine. I'm using a V4 engine. I'm using a V8 engine. Whatever you're using. Lots refers to the size of the order you have placed. So it means if I use big lot size, I'll see big profit but big loss also. If I use small lot size, I'll see small profit but small loss also. All right? And you cannot avoid losses in the market. You must have losses. You must have losses. You must have losses. And I said pips is what? The unit of measuring how far price has moved. And there's a tool in the market that helps you understand it. There's a tool in the market that you use. Even me, I don't try to calculate pips on my head. There's a tool in the market that tells me how much price has moved. Oh, price has done 20 pips already. Oh, price has done 30 pips already. I don't try to understand it by myself. It's a tool that explains it to me. And I will show you that tool in the market. These two things I've explained now, pips and lot size. If you understand, write capital letter YES. If you don't understand, write capital letter NO. Be fast, be fast. We don't have time. Be very fast, please. Write capital letter YES. If you understand pips, if you understand pips and lot size, if you don't understand pips and lot size, write capital letter NO. If you understand pips and lot size, write capital letter YES. I want this class to finish in another 20 minutes max. Everybody understands. Thank God, first of all. Okay, so let's continue the class. If you're looking to catch price movement, there's the table of best time to trade. Okay, so I've explained it now. This is time to trade. You can take a screenshot of this, convert the UTC to Nigerian time, and then you know the best time to trade. Okay, convert the UTC. Sorry, something entered my eye. Convert the UTC to what? Nigerian time, and you know the best time to trade. If you don't understand what I've explained, I need to come back to what? Rewatch this video. You don't expect me to stop every single time. If not, we'll not finish the class. And I don't want the class to last long, like too long. If you're trading time zones, I've explained this already. Okay, current market price. Okay, CMP. So I've explained this now. I said CMP of any basic or cross pair is equal to 4 digits. Why any JPY pair is 2 or 3 digits. So JPY pairs always have either 117.52 or 117.523, but it's never 4. JPY pair is never 4, while USD pair is always 4. Any pair aside JPY, every other pair is always 4. USD pair is just 3. JPY pair rather is just 3, but every other pair is 4. Every other pair. So like I said, there's a lot size how to calculate pip value. Okay, so per micro. Okay, so this is a very important table you need to understand. This thing is very important. Please stay with me. Remember I said micro lot is 0.01 to 0.09, right? So per pip you're going to be controlling 10 cents. It means if price does 2 pips, you make 20 cents. If you use 0.01, and price does 10 pips, you make 10 cents. Sorry, you make $1. 1 pip, you make 10 cents. 10 pips, you make $1. 20 pips, you make $2. 100 pips, you make what? You make $10. If you are using 0.01, do you understand? If you are using 0.01, if you are using 0.01, all right? If you are using 0.01, if if you are using 1.0 lot size, for instance, if you are using 1.0 lot size, like in this case now, all right, in this case, 1.0 lot size, you're controlling $10 per pip. So if price does 10 pips, that's $100 on your one lot. Do you understand what I'm saying? So even if I'm trading gold, anything, the pips are the same. I mean, the units is the same, the pip value is the same. The only difference is gold moves faster. So if GBP is doing 10 pips, gold has done 500 pips, for instance. Do you understand that? So it's not because you're using gold, it is because gold moves faster. That's how we reduce the lot size. It's not because gold has more dollar per pip. No, same dollars per pip is universal. Do you hear what I'm saying? Please, you might not understand it now, but you watch this video again. If you watch this video 4 times, this particular live stream, beginning to the end, 4 times, I can promise you your life will change. Especially this part I'm explaining. I can't explain this part for too long. This part is better understood when you're live, practical with me. This part is better understood when you're practical, right? It's better understood when you're in what? Practical session. It's better understood when you're in what? In practical session. So there is a per standard lot, per mini lot, and then per micro lot. That said, you have to, we trade multiple lots. Like I said, we can trade 2 lot size, 3 lot size. You can trade 10 lot size, like I said. So obviously, there's permission for that. So if price moves 10 pips and you use 3 lot size, 10 pips, you'll be making $30 profit per pip, or $30 loss per pip. So if price now move 10 pips, that's $300 loss or $300 profit if you're using 3 lots. If you're using 3 lot size. Do you understand? This particular part, this pip value and multiple lots, you understand it when you're live and practical with me. It's better understood when you see your money going or when you see your money coming. You will understand it. That's why I said we'll use demo for now. We're not going to use live yet. We'll use demo for now. All right? We'll use demo for now. So module 2 is MetaTrader 4 and 5 basics. And that's the last part of this class. Then TradingView setup. So in MetaTrader 4 or 5 or whichever one you're using, there's something called margin. All right, margin is the amount of money that you must have in your broker before you can place a trade. So if your margin is $400, it means you deposited $400. Let's say you now use 10 lots on 2 pips, SL. When they calculate how much you can lose, the remaining one is your margin. So your margin, your account might be in $2 loss, but your margin, let's say you deposited $400 and you enter a trade and you're in $2 loss, your margin can be showing $200 or $100. It's because of the amount of stop loss you have. It means if price come and hit your SL, what margin? That margin is how much we have left. Do you understand what I'm saying? That margin is how much we have left. Then we buy and sell the exchange rates. Okay? Buy and sell the exchange rate. So, like I said, we don't trade the country currency, we trade the exchange rates of the countries. Do you understand? Of their currency, rather. We trade the exchange rates. We buy and we sell the exchange rates. Someone is asking, is UTC the same as GMT? Go to Google and ask, yeah? And I'm polite about this. I don't mean bad. But there's some questions you should not be asking me. Just type on Google. Is USD the same as, is a UTC the same as GMT? You see your answer. So there's what they call price spread. So spread refers to the distance measured in pips between the buy and the sell. All right. Spread is how your broker makes money. Do you understand what I'm saying? For instance, if you want to rent house in Lagos, your agent will tell you, oh, this is agency fee. Spread is agency fee for broker. That's the easiest way to explain this spread. Spread is traders agency, is a broker agency fee, because they're the ones helping you to carry the buy to the market, go. You don't know the market, but they know the market. So they're carrying it to the liquidity provider, and then they charge you what they call spread. All right, and spread varies per asset. So an asset can have 1 pip spread, another asset can have 50 pip spread, depending on the volatility of the asset, number one, and number two, the amount of traders that trade that asset. So gold always has the higher spread, always. The highest spread I think is cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and whatnot, like have the highest spread so far. All right, so there's market execution. There are different types of orders. Market execution means buy now, execute now. So if you are trading and I say buy now, I mean you should trade with market execution. If you are familiar with your MetaTrader 5, everybody can go there right now. MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5. If you have logged into your demo account, you can go there right now. If you have logged into your demo account, if you have logged into your MetaTrader 5 demo account, click here like this now. Then you see here, they say trade. You click that trade. Now you see market execution up. Have you seen it? Let me shift my face away so that you can see it well. Have you seen market execution? Do you understand what I'm saying now? So if you click on it, you see have you seen that it has changed? There's buy limits, there's sell limits, there's buy stop, there's sell stop, there's buy stop limits, there's sell stop limits. Those are the different order types in the market. Those are the different order types in the market. All right. There's buy stop limit, sell stop limit, and whatnot. Those are the different order types. Market execution means buy now. I'm buying immediately. Buy limit means, so this is buy limit here. Buy limit means price is up. When it comes down, buy me in and keep going up. So buy limit means price is up, but I want to buy it down. But I might not be there when price is ready to buy. So I put this buy limit so that when price touch it, it will buy me in automatically. Buy stop means price is down, and I want, if price cross this number, it means it to keep going up. So as I'm going, just buy me in and keep going. Do you understand what I said? Buy limit means price is up, your entry is down. Buy me in and reverse. Buy stop means price is down, my entry is up. Buy me in and keep going. Do you understand what I'm saying, please? That's what it means. So I hope you are following me. That's what it means. So it means price is, so buy stop, price is here, my entry is here. Buy me in and keep going. Buy limit means my entry is here, but price is here. Buy me in and reverse. Market execution means buy me in right now, right now, right now. Sell is the same. Sell limit means price is down, my entry is up. Sell me in and reverse. Sell stop means price is here, my entry is here. Sell me and keep selling. Do you understand what I'm explaining, please? This thing I'm explaining, you understand it better in the market because we have now gone into charts. I'm done with the introduction. We have gone into charts. That's why it looks a little technical. Don't expect to understand everything right now. In fact, if you understand everything right now, then there's a problem. It means you are not following me. Because if you're truly following me, you will be confused. You have to rewatch like TV 4-5 times to now understand. You'll be like, oh, so this is what he was explaining. Yes. You need to watch it over and over again. All right? Take profits means take my profits, as it sounds. Take my profits. Stop loss means stop my loss. As the name implies, it means what? Stop my loss. I was on that from this name, rather. So stop loss means if price chooses to go against me, I'm okay losing here. Don't lose. I don't want to lose more than this. So someone is asking, can I determine the risk in Forex? Yes, you can. With something called stop loss, you can determine the risk in Forex. It means once price has lost money, once I've lost money to this point, stop my loss. Take profit means I can determine my profits. Once I've seen profit up until this point, I'm done. Take my profits. Like give me. I'm ready to take my profits. Do you understand what I'm saying now? There are different other types. There's buy. Buy can be called long. You can hear me say, oh, I'm longing gold. It means I'm buying gold. I'm shorting GBP USD. It means I'm selling GBP USD. Do you understand now? Now, this module 3, price action and market structure, is next week class. But today, what I want to do for the last time I mean, the last thing I want to do is TradingView setup today. Everybody, that's the last thing I want to do. TradingView what? TradingView setup. That's the last thing I want to do. TradingView setup. So everybody, go with me to tradingview.com. Tradingview.com. Everybody, go with me to what? Tradingview.com. You can see my screen. Don't try to do what I'm doing right now. Oh my God. Don't try to do what I'm doing right now. Watch it. After the class, go and do your own. Or do it with me if you have a laptop and you are with your phone. Or you have a phone and you are with your laptop. Or maybe you are using YouTube Premium. You can minimize. If you can't minimize, don't try to do it with me. Tradingview.com. Tradingview.com. Everybody, go with me to tradingview.com. Then click Get Started. You will see free. You click Sign Up. Sign up. If you already have an account, you can sign in. If you don't have an account, sign up with Google. Just continue automatically. It's an automatic process. Good. Now it has logged me in. What you want to click now is come to product. Everybody, then come to super chat. Super chat. Don't buy anything. Don't join their premium. Just use super chat and click super chat. It will bring you to something like this. If you come to super chat, it will bring you to something like this. My own looks arranged. Oh, maybe I've opened accounts with this link before because it's not supposed to be showing this. I want to look for the one I've not opened an account with before. So let me use this one now. Something I've not opened an account with yet. Get started, sign up, sign in with Google. Continue. Okay. Only click this one. Don't receive marketing emails. Oh. Just click this one. Then come here, super chat. Everybody, do what I'm doing. Yes. It will bring you to something like this. Now, this is what I'm looking for. All right. If you click on it, it's going to bring you to something like this. Now, what you want to do, follow me closely, is first, you see this thing, drag it down. This thing here. This thing here. You see a silver lining. Click on it and drag it down first. You don't need it. Second, come and remove all these things here. Just be deleting it. Just be deleting it. Don't delete Forex zone. Delete the rest. Crypto. Don't delete Forex zone. No. Delete the rest. Now, after doing that, second, third thing you want to do is to come here. Let me show you where my cursor is. Can you see my cursor, you guys? Can you guys see my cursor? It's very big right now. See my cursor very big here. So what you want to do is to come here and delete this. It's going to delete that thing that is under. See this thing? See this thing under here? This thing under is going to delete it. This thing here, you don't need this thing here. That's why I said you come here. See it here, up here. You click delete. After doing that, if you can't split your screen, no problem. Like I said, watch what I'm doing. After the class, go and do your own. Or you can be doing it in real time with me. You just pause, go and do it, come back, pause, go and do it, come back. You can use your phone, you can use your laptop, anyone. All right? You can use your phone, you can use your laptop, anyone. Just pause, go and do it, come back. Pause, go and do it, come back. This is a very important part of this class. After this, I'm done for today. I will continue in the next class. Now, follow me closely, guys. Let me drag this particular one here. Okay. So after doing that, I mean, you can just play with your this thing however you want. Come here, remove change, remove last, just change in percentage, remove logo. You're good. All right. So you're good like this. You can even put logo if you want. You can put logo if you want. Anyone you want. This is my own personal chat here. This is my personal chat. So what I need you to do is to now come here. See my cursor up here, you guys. See my cursor up here. See my cursor up here. You come here and you highlight trend line number 1. You highlight ray number 2. You highlight horizontal line number 3. You highlight horizontal ray number 4. I'll tell you the use of everything, but just do what I'm doing. Oh my god, I've not been sharing my screen. I'm so sorry, guys. Ah, shit. Let me start all over again. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Let me say it again. So I said, you come here. So before, all these things were showing, but I removed last, I removed change. I only left change in percentage. You can see it here. See my cursor, you can see it up here. All right. Then having done that, I removed this thing entirely. Then I said, see my cursor here, oh, see my cursor up here, oh. You come here and click highlight trend line, highlight ray, highlight horizontal line, highlight horizontal ray. I'll tell you the use of all these things in the class as we go. Are you with me? I'll tell you the use of each of these things during the class as we go. You come here to the next one. You click on it. All right. You click on it and highlight Fibonacci retracement. I'll tell you the use of all these things as we go. I'll tell you the use of all these things as we go. You highlight Fibonacci retracement. The next one, you highlight head and shoulder pattern. Are you with me? You highlight head and shoulder pattern for the next one. You come to the down one again. There's a small arrow beside this. That's what you click. Is that arrow you're clicking? You highlight long position. You highlight short position. Are you with me? Then you highlight fixed volume range profile. Are you with me? Then you highlight price range. Price range is what we use to measure what the distance, how many pips price has done. All right. These are the 4 things we highlight here. All right. These are the 4 things we highlight here. Then you come to the next one. You highlight rectangle. You highlight parts. You highlight, let me see, is there anything else? Well, you can highlight ellipse, but it's not every time I use it. I use it a few times, but you can highlight it. Ellipse. All right. Then you come to the next one. You highlight text. Are you with me? Come to the next one and highlight what? Text. Then that's all. By then you should have this. I like having this around me because this is what I use to trade. These are my tools for trading. All right. These are my tools for both teaching and trading. So you will see me very often using parts to explain, oh, price is doing this and 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 doing this. That's what part is used for. I use it to explain a lot. Do you understand what I'm saying now? So that's why I said you should highlight those things because they'll be useful for you when I'm teaching. They'll be useful for you when I am what? When I am teaching. Okay? They'll be very useful for you when I am teaching. You just delete it for now. But they'll be very useful for you when I am teaching. That said, the next thing you come and do is above here, see my cursor up here, see my cursor, you guys, see my cursor up here, up here. Click on D. click on D. Now I need you to highlight 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, and that's all. I need you to highlight these things for me. You can add 30 minutes actually. I use 30 minutes candle sometimes. You can highlight 30 minutes also. I will teach you how to use it. Like I said, your aim is to just see and do what I am doing with me. Just see what I am seeing and do what I am doing with me. See what I am seeing and do what I am doing with me. See what I am seeing and do what I am doing with me. That said, what next are you supposed to do? You can leave your charts like this. Though me, I don't like red and green and white charts. I prefer black and white. All right. If you want to do black and white, you can do black and white. Come up here. See my cursor up here, guys. See my cursor up here. See my cursor up here. Come and click settings. If that's what you want, you can come and change the color of the candle, body, whatnot, 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 whatnot. All right. Then you can save a template so that you can come and use it. See, let me create a template for you now. Body, let's use white. Let's use red. We'll change all the green to white. Change all the green to white. Then time zone. Let's go to UTC plus 1 Lagos. UTC plus 1 Lagos is the time zone. The new time zone we are using. UTC plus 1 Lagos. See it here, up here, down here. UTC plus 1. It tells you the time. All right. So once you are done on that, you can come and click here. Status line, logo, background. Okay. Scale. I'm trying to look for where I change the color self to black. I should find it, yeah. Background, yes. Background, change it to black. But not deep black. Maybe something like this now. Or instead of doing that self, leave it as white first, Then come and save the template. Save as, give it a name. Mastery. For instance, now let's give it a name, mastery. Save. Then come here and click on dark theme. Yes. Do you understand? If you come here and click on dark theme, see it here, see where I came to up here. You can change it from dark to white, you can change it from white to dark, you can change it from dark to white, white to dark. It will make everything to be black, and then you come to symbol, change it to white, change it to white, change it to white, and then you save it as what? Mastery. All right. Once you save it as mastery, click OK. Now your chart looks like mine. Do you understand? Your chart now looks more like mine. If this black is too black for you, like some of you now, I believe the black is too black for you. If the black is too black for you, come to canvas, background, make it lighter, something like this now. Maybe the black is too black for you, you can use something like this now. Instead of using this black that is too much, you can use this, or you can use this, however you want. For me, I'm okay with this black. Now, your chart looks more like my own, right? Next thing I want you to do is okay, well, with this, I believe you have set up your TradingView actually. It means that if I'm teaching and I say, okay, I need you to come here and look for parts, you can just come here, you see rectangle, price range. Rectangle is used to draw this. All right, rectangle, I change my own color. I like my own color green. I like my own color green. My own rectangle, I like it green. If you see me yoga. I like my own green, so you can use your own like this green also, like mine. Ellipse also, I like my own green. You can change it to green like mine. You can change it to green like mine. It saves automatically as long as you have network, okay? So you can just, even this part, I like my own to be a different color, something like this. Now you can come and change it. I like my own to be white. You can see now my own is white. Let me show you. See it here. See my own here is white. All right, this is my own chart, my personal chart that I used to make money on the market. Okay. Then these are for my mentees because I have my mentees that come to my house often. I only trade GBP USD and gold. That's how you see only GBP USD here. GBP USD 4 times. Then I only trade GBP USD and gold. But all these other ones is my mentees that come here and use it whenever they want. I don't stop them. I don't stop them. Now the next thing is long position. All right, my long position, my green is white instead of green. Okay, my own green is white instead of green. Just like this now, you can see. See my long position now. It's white and red. This here, instead of green and red. So my own green is white. My short position also, my green is white. Increase to 30%, and you are good on that. You can delete it back. The reason I'm just saying you should do all these things is so that when I'm chatting and your own color does not look like my own color, you will not be saying, what are you doing? So I don't understand. If you don't understand, you can slow down the video and rewatch it. But I will not stop because we are running late on time. I want us to be done latest by 9. Latest by 9. Now you can come here. This thing that is blue. See it here. Or see the tool I pick here. Horizontal ray. Mine is white, and then mine is not 2x, mine is 1x. 1px, you see it here. All right. This one also, mine is white, 1px. So 1px, then white. All right. For the text, also, mine is white. And then you can delete it. This one also, mine is white on the text. White. You can delete it. If you want your own to be the default colors, no problem. So mine is 1px, white and white, everything, because I'm using a dark background. Then for this trend line tool also, mine is white and it's 1px. Good. I believe yours should look like mine now. The last thing I want us to do, sorry, I did rubbish. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So these are, you see it in the market, this tool. You see it like this in the market. Now, mine is white also, like I said. I like white, don't mind me, but mine is white and it's 1px. All right. But now the opacity is not 100, the opacity is less. The opacity is 15 or 20, anyone is okay. All right. Anyone is okay. But this is mine here. You can see it here. If I pull out the head and shoulder for you, maybe it's reset, but it is actually white. Mine is originally white. Maybe it's reset actually. You can see the text is even white to tell you that I'm not lying to you. Maybe that was a mistake for me. Maybe it's reset, but it's usually white. All right, I keep it at white deliberately. All right, so I keep it white deliberately. What else? Like I said, it saves automatically. We've done everything else except, okay, text is supposed to be blue. Supposed to be white rather. So we'll change text also to white. That's T here. T, change it to white. You see, all you need to do is to zoom in and slowly do what I'm doing. You don't need to learn. You don't need to, I cannot be asking you, have you done it? Have you done it? No. You do it by yourself this night. Take your time after the live stream, rewatch it, and do it by yourself. Now, the last thing is this Fibonacci retracement. This is one of the most important tools I use in the market. You see that this is how it comes, default. It's very ugly. Default. It's confusing. But there's something I did for my own, and I'll tell all of us to do it together. All right. Come and click setting here. Visibility. Sorry, style. Yes, setting style. Then do everything that you see on my own. Do it on your own. Everything you can see on my own. Number one, style. There's no trend line, so remove trend line on your own. Second is the colors. Opacity. Where is the opacity on this one? 25. Come and keep your own on 25. Just do what I did. Don't try to change it. Just do what I did. Don't try to think of what to do on your end. Just do what I did. And then the color there is white. Second is after 0, the next thing we have is what? 0.886. So you come and edit your numbers to 0.886. The color on that one is white, simply white. Opacity is 100. Second is 0.705. 705. The color is white also. Color is white also. Second is 1, and the color is white, but it's on 25%. Just do what I did, sir. Just do what I'm doing. Don't try to think of something else. Just do what I'm doing. Don't try to think of something else. Then you see that gradually to start looking like my own. Just do what I did. Second is minus 0.27. You come here, edit it to minus 0.27. The color on that is what? White, abi? White. God bless you. Then there's no 4, so remove 4. Uncheck 4. Next thing you want to do now is 0. This place here 0.618. 0.618. The color there is what? The color here is which color is this? Okay, see the color here. So come here and click this color. Just do what I'm doing. Don't try to change anything. The next one, the color is white minus 25 degrees, 25%. White 25%. Move it to 25%. The next thing is what? 0.79. 0.79. The color is white. So you come here and do 0.79. Your color should be white. Just do what I'm doing, sir. Don't try to change this. Just do what I'm doing. Second is 0.328. The color there is what? 0.328. Okay, see the color here. Okay. 0.328. So just do the same thing. 0.328, and the color there is what? This color. By the way, is there any 1 point anything? No. So you uncheck it. Do you understand? There's no 1 point anything. So hello, sir, please uncheck it. Your own should look exactly like mine right now. There's no 1 point anything. So uncheck that 1 point. Now, the next thing you see here when you scroll down is use one color. Background, we uncheck background. So come here and uncheck your own background also. Next thing you see here is levels, percentage. Okay, wait. Prices, we uncheck prices. So uncheck prices on your end also. Values, you put it on percentage. Label, right, middle. So put it on right. Okay. Just do exactly what I'm doing, and your own will look exactly like my own. Text, center, middle. Font size, 12. Good. We are done on that end. Come to coordinates. You can ignore coordinates for now. Come to visibility. 159. Visibility 159. Second one is 159 also. 159 for second and minutes. For hours is 124, 124. For days is 1366, 1366. For weeks is 152, 152. For months is 112, is 112. You click OK. Do you understand what I'm saying now? Now, once you click OK, you see something here. 1px is what it is here. You come here and change yours to from 2px to 1px. Do you understand? Come and change yours to 1px from 2px. I believe you should understand that now. Someone will be saying, but I can't see what is writing there. If you can't see it, all you need to do is to go and edit your color. All right. If you can't see it, come here, edit your color. Go to style, edit the color of the ones you can't see. You can't see zero, abi. Opacity, move it to what? Let's say you move it to 50%. If 50% will be better for you. 618 also, put it on white, move it to 50% if that's what will help you out. All right. What else? 328, put it on white, move it to 50% if that's what will help you out. Okay. What else? 1, move it to 50% if it will help you to see clearly. Okay. Then click OK. Now, yours should look like this. Am I making any sense? Yours should look like this. It should be looking like mine already. Your 0.5, move it to 50% also. If you did exactly what I just did now, yours should look like this. Yours should look exactly like mine. If yours looks like mine, then your trading view is set up and you're ready to start trading with me and do what I'm doing. If your trading view now looks like my own, then you're ready to start trading with me. All right. Now that brings us to the end of today's class. Today's class, I taught you what? Introduction to Forex. I taught you MetaTrader 4 and 5. I showed you buy stop, sell stop, buy limit, sell limit. I said those ones you will understand when we start doing demo trading. For now, we are not doing demo trading. For now, we are learning. So hold that MetaTrader 4 and 5 somewhere. You understand it later. Then the next thing I said was TradingView setup, and I showed you how to set up your TradingView. And then I assured you that you will understand it when I showed you that you should come and rewatch it so that you can implement on your chart the way I just implemented on mine. Now, I believe strongly that everybody has done exactly what I said we should do in the same way I said we should do it. If you understand this class and it was clear to you, very clear to you, I want you, and by very clear I mean you know that okay, the part that was not clear, you will come and rewatch and it will be clear. The explanation was easy for you to understand, and you feel like you are a lot more ahead of others in terms of like you believe that you're better than you were before in Forex. Like, what do I mean? You have a better understanding now. You're in a better place, ready to learn. I want you to put 777 in the chat box. If you believe you're in a better place mentally regards Forex, meaning where you were before, what you understood before is not where you are now, and it's not what you understand now. You understand better. Put 777 in the chat box. Remember, our next class is next week, Thursday. But before then, I'll give you all assignments in the chat, in the WhatsApp groups, so that you can have a stronger understanding of this thing. You rewatch the video over and 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 over again. You will rewatch the video. But if you think you're in a better place, put 777 in the chat box. If you don't understand what I've explained, put 555. Then hyphen. What part don't you understand? You have to type it out. I'm ready to explain again for another 5 minutes, but I need to be sure you understand, like you know what you don't understand, so that I can explain that particular thing. I can't explain everything else. What exactly do you not understand? All right. If it is trading view related, your answer is go and rewatch the video and do what I did. If it is MetaTrader 4 and 5 related, your answer is rewatch the video, then wait for the live class when we are doing demo trading. If it is none of those two, if it is the module 1, write what you don't understand. What you don't understand. If you understand, put 777. If you don't understand, put 555. Then write what you don't understand so I can explain again. But please, you have to respond, because that's how I will know that you listened to me and you understood. You have to respond because that's how I know that you were with me during the class. Okay, if you, I actually need you to respond because that's how I will know that you were with me during the class. To be honest, this class that we're having, I'll be very, very honest with you guys. I don't teach it for free. I don't. You can see that I'm not joking. I'm teaching you properly. I don't teach you for free. This is over 2 hours. 777 aside the trading aspect, which I have to watch the video again. Thank you very much, Temitope. 555. I want what happens on the chart movement if both price going down and it's not always that way. If the quote is going down, the price, the base is going down, price will consolidate to keep going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. If both are going up, price will keep consolidating up and down. But if the base is stronger than the quote, price will be going up. If the base is lesser than the quote, price will be going down. Do you understand now? Danny man. 77777. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I believe today's class has been impactful. I believe today's class has been transformative. And I believe you are in a better place compared to where you were before. I believe you have a better understanding in the market compared to what you had before. So I'll see you next week, Thursday. I beg you, before next week, Thursday, do yourself a favor. This particular live stream, watch it again. But now, make a decision. Watch it 11 times. It's not compulsory. Only for those who want to see results. I beg you, it's not compulsory. It's not at all. Only those that want to become traders that have results. I am a trader with results. Take it from me. If you want to be like me in this market, all right? If you want to be like me in this market, watch this video, this particular live stream. Watch it again, 11 times per video. There will be 4 classes. This is one of the 4. Watch each one 11 times per video, each of the 4 classes. 11 times per video. 11 times per video. I can assure you on God's name, there's no way you watch it 11 times per video that you will not understand how to teach it the way I'm even teaching it. But I've done it 3 times. I understand already. Shh. Watch it again. Hello, sir, I don't like that. I've watched it again. I've done it 5 times, 7 times. Shh. Watch it again. But I'm watching it. Watch it and be writing your questions. Be writing, even if it's not questions, be writing your, like, what you understand. Okay, before I didn't understand this, now I understand this. Be writing your notes down. Watch it again. Do you understand what I'm saying? Watch it again. Watch it 11 times per video. There's no way you will do 11 times. And your life, your understanding of Forex, everything will not change. It's a lie. It's a lie. It's a complete lie. It's a complete lie. It's a very big fat lie. If you do it 11 times, oh my God. Do you know the power in consistency and repetition? Do you know? That's my assignment for you before next week, Thursday. If you wait till next week, Monday to start, you will not finish. Start tonight. Just as you finish now, start from beginning again. Start tonight. If you wait till next week to start, you will not finish. I bet you. I bet you will not finish if you are waiting till next week before you start. I can bet you will not finish. I bet you will not finish. I hope that makes sense, and I hope you understand today's class very well. Luna Alex, my question is, if price is at 1.5 and you predict it to go to 1.2 and gets to 1.3, what happens? If price is at 1.5, you predict it to come down to 1.2, but it came down to 1.3, not reach 1.2. If you close your trade, you close your profit. If you leave your trade and it goes back to 1.5, you have lost your money now. Do you understand? If you say price is in 1.5, it will come down to 1.2, but it came down to 1.3, it not reach 1.2. It now reversed and went to 1.5. You have lost your money. But if you reach 1.3, you now close out your small money that you saw. Then you don't lose money now. You don't lose money. 777. Amazing, 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 amazing. Will there still be Sunday mentorship class? Very likely. I'm trusting God that I will have enough strength because Sunday is tight for me. My friends are coming over to the house on Sunday. All right. One is coming from Abuja, one is coming from Akure. They're coming to my house. So very likely I might not be available. But if I'm available, I'll teach. If I'm not available, then next week. Sunday mentorship is not every week. I just do it whenever I'm available because it's my mentorship, it's me giving back to community, basically. So I do it when I'm available too. But if I'm available, I promise you I'll do it. But every Monday I teach by 8 a.m. Every Monday. Every Monday. In case you are doubting, let me share my screen with you. Look at something. Look at week 115, 3 days ago. I do it every Monday. We are in 115 weeks in a row. That's over 2 years. We are in third year counting. We are counting our 3 years anniversary every Monday, even if I'm tired. I lost my sister on Sunday, May 11. My sister died. On Monday, May 12, I came to teach. Yeah, that's some crazy ass consistency. I know. I know. That's super, super consistency. Yeah, I know. I do it every Monday, whether I feel like it or I don't feel like it, I'll teach every Monday. Every Monday, whether I feel like it or I don't feel. See, sometimes I'm not in the. Even if I go to Kuala Lumpur, even if I go to Scotland, even if I go to UK, Canada, Dubai, I will teach you by 8 a.m. Except I'm on the flight and there's no network, then I will schedule. There was a day I scheduled the class for 11 a.m. because I was going to be on the flight, and it was how many hours flight? I forgot it, but there was no network. There was no network. I say, wow, there was no network. So I scheduled for 11 a.m. and I taught by 11 a.m. In fact, I was in the car when I was teaching. But will I teach you on Mondays? Yes, I'll teach you every Monday. I'll teach you every Monday. I'll teach you every Monday. But Sunday, I might not be available too. But Monday, I will teach you and I'll send the link before the class starts so that you can join. So make it a culture. Set your alarm. All of you on this call, set your alarm every Monday by 8 a.m. You're going to learn Forex with me. I tell you what I'm expecting for the week. I will analyze the market and then we'll look at the market together, saying, oh, we're going to buy this week, we're going to sell this week, whatever it is. But every Monday, I do the analysis for you guys. If today has been impactful for you, I want you to go to the WhatsApp group now, not here. And I beg you, I want to see it. Go to the WhatsApp group and write impact, capital letter IMPACT. Go to the WhatsApp group, not here. Go to the WhatsApp group. Even though your YouTube will stop, go back there. Can beginners join you if they understand? Yes, you will understand. It's beginner friendly. Every Monday is beginner friendly. Every Monday is beginner friendly. If this class has been impactful for you, go to the WhatsApp group right now and write impact. Go to the WhatsApp group right now and write impact. If today's class has been impactful for you, go to the WhatsApp group and write impact. 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 I'm on the WhatsApp group. Just how many people? 4, 5. No, we are a lot on this class. Go to the WhatsApp group and write impact. If you have learned anything today, go and write impact. Excuse me, sir. Ask a question, please. Go ahead, ask a question. Go to the WhatsApp group and write impact. Go to the WhatsApp group and write impact. If you have learned anything today, go to the WhatsApp group and write impact. Go to that WhatsApp group now and write impact. Impact, 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 impact. In fact, add something else on it. Go and write, thank you, Coach David. Thank you, Coach David. How to see it? I'm here. I'm looking at it. I've seen like 40 comments now, or 30. I don't know. Right? Thank you, Coach David. I'm looking at it though. In case you think I'm not. I'm looking at it on the WhatsApp group. I have YouTube Premium. That's why I'm still seeing my video up there. There's YouTube Premium. But go and write what? Impact. Everybody. I will go and write, thank you, Coach David. Everybody. If you are too lazy, copy the first person and paste it. Very simple. If you are too lazy to write it. Just as Chiume said, can beginners join in Monday mentorship class? Yes. It's beginner friendly. Every Monday at 8 a.m. It's beginner friendly. It's beginner friendly, I promise you. It's beginner friendly. It's beginner friendly. I promise you, it's beginner friendly. Go and write, thank you, Coach David. Thank you, Coach David. Thank you, Coach David. Everybody. Thank you, Coach David. Everybody. I've only seen a few people writing that. Go and write, thank you. Thank you, Coach David. Thank you, Coach David. Thank you, Coach David. Thank you very much. So we're going to see us again on Thursday next week. And on Thursday is going to be interesting because we're going to do module 3, 4, 5, which is price action, candlestick patterns, and chart patterns next week. I want to see you at the top, not from the top, because you know what I said, the bottom is way too crowded. If I've not saved your number, I'll call a few names out. I need you to message me with your full name, your email, and then let's start. I'll save your number after then. Chibu Odogu, I've not saved your number. ASP Accessories, I've not saved your number. Diongo Lee Anthony, I've not saved your number. Nurse Ewalewa, I've not saved your number. Merit, ends with 7349, I've not saved your number. Dominic, ends with 4017, I've not saved your number. Message me with your full name, your email, in the format I said. Prince Okpeyemi, I've not saved your number. But I believe I've saved the rest. Let me be reading out the numbers I've saved. I've saved Fatoki Babatunde, Bashiru Aisha, Abiola Braid, Akinloluwa Adeleye, Obiekwe Ifeanyi, Ukachi Victor, Mobolaji Aino, Tope Bright, Chiworu Joy, Nathaniel Uwoge, Patience, Blessing, Falodun, Joshua Ekoma, Daniel Ogunbiyi, Moses Omidiji, Alabi Oluwaseyi, I've saved your number. Ayenigba Precious, I've saved your number. Aileru Ayomide, I've saved your number. Obiekwe Ifeanyi, I've saved your number. Braid Tamuno Saki, I've saved your number. Ugowe Samson, I've saved your number. Joshua Ekoma, I've saved your number. Ruth Egbeko Koba, I've saved your number. Ugowe Samson, I've saved your number. Alabi Oluwaseyi, I've saved your number. Fatoki Aduagbemi, I've saved your number. Fatoki Babatunde, I've saved your number. Ayenigba Precious, I've saved your number. I can keep listing the names. So Pastor Yomi Davis, I've saved your number. Okudili Vincent, I've saved your number. Rashid Olawale, I've saved your number. Omoshebi Adeshino, I've saved your number. Adungbe Temitope, I've saved your number. Oluwatosin Odunsin, I've saved your number. Michael Ugowe, I've saved your number. Pastor Louis, I've saved your number. Sophia Kebe, I've saved your number. Babatunde Olu, I've saved your number. Grace Stella, I've saved your number. Paul Ife Oluwa Levite, I've saved your number. Ifeanyi Chukwu, Uchechukwu, I've saved your number. Utubi Iso, I've saved your number. Azel George, I've saved your number. Utubi Iso, okay, I've saved your number. Akinloluwa Adeleye, I've saved your number. Aileru Ayomide, I've saved your number. Damilola Victor, I've saved your number. You see, I've saved many numbers. So if I've not saved your number, or you have not heard your name, DM immediately with your full name, your email address, then have you traded before? This is my personal WhatsApp and I'm saving everybody's number. so that you guys can reach out to me. Then let me read from the second group. Let me read from the second group right now. Sam Adeboye Kolade, I've saved your number. Olubumi Jidanu, I've saved your number. Mercy Idowu, I've saved your number. Aderemi Rachel, I've saved your number. The rest, I can't see you here. Sakaola Properties, I've not saved your number. Ade Drums, I've not saved your number. Temitope ends with 6281, I've not saved your number. So please DM with your full name. There's a format I gave on the group. DM me. And if you have DM and I've not saved it, please DM again right now. I beg you. If you have DM me, I've not saved it, DM me again and I'll save it. I'm not seeing the WhatsApp group. Oladapo Ola. The WhatsApp group, you're not seeing it. Why? Actually, we have reversed the link for the WhatsApp group. But join next week Thursday. All right? Or you send a message to our official company line. Send a message to this number on WhatsApp and we'll save and we'll add it to the WhatsApp group. You called my name before the class started. You didn't save my number. I already DM me twice. I understand that. That's likely because I was teaching, so I can't be saving your number while teaching. But please DM me again, Temitope, and I'll save your number. All right. I believe today's class has been impactful, it has been beneficial. If you are truly grateful, because this is a class that I collect money for, I'm telling you very much. I'm telling you the truth. I collect money for it, but I'm doing this for free. So go to the WhatsApp group and write thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Let's know that you guys are actually grateful and you're going to join the class next week. Watch this video again. How many times? 11 times. It's going to change your life. I promise you. Before the next class, make sure you finish it 11 times. Make sure you finish it 11 times. Since there are no other questions, I'll leave you guys here. And God bless you.